Hi guys, this is Declan, and I'm just making this video. It's just about trading bots, and it's just my personal opinion. And I just do believe that there is like a big surge in popularity of people trying to get rich quick through trading bots. And as you can see here, you can see cTrader store, and there's also numerous other stores. But for example, cTrader store, you go on here and you see people, they're saying, I'll get rich quick, like stock market kind of thing. And so you go here and people think, I'll just buy this AI robot that'll make me rich. And so they go here, they go most popular. And as you can see, 98 dollars, and it looks good, but you actually look at it, and so 209 people purchased it, right? Maya Gold Grid ATR on sale. Obviously everything's on sale, that's how they get you. But you look at the 35% return on investment, and people look at that, but that's only 1 month period. That's where they failed to see that 5.18% balance drawdown. Now the thing with these bots are, you have more here. They're only developed for a specific time frame. For example, like a specific time in the market for gold. And see, this was made in April, and oftentimes they don't do enough updates. It's not just this bot, but it's bots in general, and it can be a way to lose a lot of money. So I just wouldn't recommend it, because I can show you here now the cTrader application, if I can log in real quick, and I can show you what it's like. For example, so we'll look into IC markets. See if I can log in anyway, but log into the other one, sorry. Fivers, FTMO, FX Pro. So we'll log into FX Pro, and see, I'll show you the way that these bots kind of work. So you go in here, so at £0 live account, and you do like a back test, for example. So this is how you can tell they're all scams. So here you go, AI trading bot, the ultimate smart bot here. So you go here, back test, and then the back test, wait for it to load up, and then look, minus £8.26. So over a month period, it looks like you're gonna be losing about minus £8.26. And let's look at another one. Let's just go down and look at Fibonacci strategy, and we'll go, let's just say from the 22nd of September until now. We'll run a back test, we'll see how it goes. So that's 0, and let's just go tick from server, and we will just choose USD, and let's just run a couple months, and it will probably take a little bit of time. 13% loading, and I'll just show you why these trading bots, they just don't work. Because well, this one's not showing anything, but you constantly have to adjust the settings, so it would just be more beneficial just learning how to trade yourself. So that's my opinion on why you shouldn't be doing trading bots in total. But thank you for watching anyway, guys, and hope this was educational. Thank you.